Tengzhou, historically known as the ancient state of Ting or Shan, is the birthplace of Mozi and the hometown of Liu Ban, revered as the ancestor of Chinese craftsmen. As the thriving development of small and medium-sized machine tool manufacturing, Tengzhou has earned the prestigious title of capital of China's small and medium machine tools. From this fertile ground of machine tool manufacturing, Shansen CNC Technology Company has emerged as a shining star in China's CNC industry. Founded in 2001, Shansen now has 2 factories covering an area of 120,000 square meters with a construction area of 100,000 square meters. The company serves as the Vice President Unit of the China CNC System Association and the President Unit of the Tengzhou Machinery Industry Association. Notably, Shansen has been recognized as one of the first national-level, Little Giant, enterprises specialized in refined, distinctive, and innovative solutions and has earned national acclaim for its intellectual property advantages. The company has 5 provincial-level innovation platforms, including centers for manufacturing innovation and software engineering technology. Shansen is primarily engaged in the research and manufacturing of electrical components for CNC machine tools. Its products are widely applied across various industries, including CNC machine tools, robotics, plastic injection machinery, textile machinery, and woodworking machinery. The company's key products include machine operation panel, manual pulse generator, safety door switches, warning lights, work light, high-pressure TSC system, relay modules, distributor modules, intelligent switchboard, oil mist collectors, oil skimmers, tool broken detectors. Machine tool external protection systems, complete cable bundles, machine tool electrical cabinets, comprehensive machine tool power distribution solutions, gantry robots, automated production lines, electronic lathes, and high and low voltage power distribution systems for buildings. Shansen operates over 100 product assembly lines, including specialized facilities such as mold workshops, injection molding workshops, printing workshops, sheet metal workshops, machining workshops, electrical cabinet assembly workshops, machine tool assembly workshops, and SMT surface mounting lines. This robust infrastructure ensures superior product quality and timely delivery. Shansen is equipped with multiple provincial-level engineering laboratories, ensuring that every product undergoes stringent testing and inspection. The comprehensive quality assurance process encompasses panel online testing, CNC system function testing, electronic product aging testing, salt spray testing, sand and dust testing, water spray testing, vibration testing, drop testing, tensile testing, hardness testing, torque testing, DC withstand voltage testing, electrostatic interference testing, and safety door switch fatigue testing. Shansen is equipped with a comprehensive management system. The company implements 6S management in the workshops and has obtained certifications for the ISO 9001 Quality Management System, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, and ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System. The company utilizes ERP and MES management systems to integrate production, supply, sales, inventory, finance, performance, and data collection processes, enabling real-time tracking of production progress and significantly enhancing overall production efficiency. Furthermore, the company's internal management manual has been continuously refined to provide detailed guidance for orderly and efficient operations. Shansen CNC uses the multiple enterprises OEM production of CNC systems and collaborates with system manufacturers such as Huazhong CNC, Shanghai Linux, K&D, GSK, Syntec, and China General Technology to develop various system appearances, thereby enhancing the appearance quality of domestic systems. The company has established long-term friendly cooperative relationships with over 1,000 enterprises, including Genertech, Shandong Vida Heavy Industry, Xingyuan Fuxing, JIER Machine Tool, Bochi Machine Tool, DN Solutions, Mazak, Tsugami, Makino, Ugent, Techmec, Kato, Jerfin, Neway, and Taikan. Clients are spread across 30 provinces and municipalities in China and 12 countries worldwide. Shansen adheres to the corporate spirit of dedication, integrity, diligence, and innovation. We uphold the mission of liberating people from tedious labor through our diligence and wisdom, maximizing resource conservation for the benefit of future generations. Working hand in hand, let us move on together towards a brighter and more sustainable future.